Hi there, I hope you're all doing well. This week's Zombicide Undead or Alive mini is the Judge from the Dead West set. He was black and white zenithally primed and I started with Cold Corpse Blue for his jacket. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You can also join Discord using the link in the description where you can share anything you have been working on. To get his trousers base coated now, I grabbed Field Grey and gave them a once over. There isn't much of his shirt showing through, but the small parts that are visible, I went over them with Gung-Ho green. For all of the exposed skin, I went with Sunny Skin Tone. Getting his hair, books and the ascot done, I used Warm Grey. Finishing off the ascot and dotted in his eyes, I added a quick highlight with Trooper White. Now for the leather and wooden parts, I used Cuirass leather. You can do this before the Trooper White highlight, but I wanted to get the eyes done before I added in the glasses frames. As with all my current Zombicide minis, the base gets done with Plague Brown. Moving on to the highlights now, I get started with Ranger Cloak over the trousers, just leaving that darker tone in the recesses of the folds. Getting the jacket highlighted now, I went with Wolf Grey, which is a pretty large jump, but once the wash goes on, this should blend down a lot more. Finishing off the highlights, I went over the wooden and leather parts with Noble Steed Brown. For all of the metal parts, these will get done with gunmetal. Adding a wash to the Mini, I used Archaic Sepia wash over everything, and just came back in afterwards and just took off a lot of the wash that stained a bit too much. Finishing up, I added some sandy desert texture to the base. And that will be it for the judge. I like how the jacket came out. I think the wash dirted it up just about right to match the artwork. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You could also join Discord using the link in the description, where you can share anything you have been working on. As always, if you want a closer look at this mini, check out my Instagram page. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. Most importantly though, be kind to each other.